Hello students, very warm welcome back in this channel. Today's topic type function. Type function is what? So in Python, the type function return the type of a specified object. Simple. If you try to find out the types of any particular value, then by the help of type command we can. Syntax हमारा क्या होगा? अगर आप किसी भी particular variables value के लिए data type देखना चाहते हो, जानना चाहते हो, then by the help of type command. Okay? तो syntax हमारा होगा print type and any variable's name you may type here. Okay, suppose if you write here 5 equal a equal to 5, so this provide result class int. Okay, ये जो 5 है वो क्या है हमारा value? Integer data type. Okay, integer type value है. So this provide a data type for particular variable. Okay, suppose here you write a 5.5, so in this case this provide a class float. Okay, similarly if you type any string value within the quotes, within the double quotes, so this provide class string like this. Okay, so now notice over this. Simple, here I type a equal to 5. Okay, now print type a. Okay, now save this, now execute. So a equal to 5. 5 is what? This is the integer value. So this provide class int. Okay. Now if here you write b equal to 5 point something, c equal to any string value like hello, d equal to any list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, e equal to set like 2, 3, 4, 5, f equal to any tuples like 4, 5, 6, something. Okay, now if you try to print the particular data type regarding any particular variable, then control C and we paste this like. Okay, now for the data type for B, for C, D, E and F. Okay, okay, control S and now execute this. Okay, now you may notice that class int a equal to 5, this is the integer value 5.12, this is the float value. Hello, this is the string value. This is the list, this is the set, and this is the tuples. Okay, so type command, type function helps you to return the data type for each particular variable. ये क्या कर रहा है? रिटर्न कर रहा है हमारा डेटा टाइप फॉर particular variable. Now this also create dynamically is the type function also work as the dynamically for the class. Suppose uh, this will also work with 3 argument. हमारा जो टाइप फंक्शन है वो 3 आर्गुमेंट्स के साथ भी काम करेगा. सिंपल, हियर आई राइट माय क्लास एंड माय क्लास नेम इक्वल टू हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? टाइप, and this is what? This is the first will my class set my class. Now the next comma. This is the syntax. Object. Now comma and the value. This is the variable and this is the value for this variables. Okay. So this is what? This is type function with three argument. We can say that this is the type function with three argument. Okay. This helps you to create class dynamically. Okay. ये क्या कर रहा है? ये आपके क्लास को डायनेमिक क्रिएट कर रहा है. Okay. So simple. 1 minute. This means simple. Here this is a class, my class. Okay, and here the declaration will what? A equal to something. Okay, that I write. So this is all about a type function. Thank you for watching this.